Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what do we got going on for you today? Well, this is going to be a little bit different. We're going to start Cello Week. And what we plan on doing is we're going to do a different cello for the next 5 days. I hope this will be pretty interesting. So each day we're going to come out with a new cello, okay? And today we're going to do the old standby. We're going to do Limoncello. That's our first thing. Like always, there's 5 things that you can really do to help us out, and it all will be appreciated. Number 1, if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when we got something comes out new, hit that notification bell. Share us with your friends. Give us that thumbs up. And please leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, just to let you know what I'm going to do, because I'm doing 5 different cellos, is I'm going to make a half batch, but in the description below I will give you the ingredients list for the full batch, okay? But just note that I'm doing a half a batch. And like I said before, we're going to do 1 each day. So, first, what is cello? Well, most of us know Limoncello. It's an Italian liqueur, and it's made from the zest of citrus fruit and some sugar and alcohol. Okay, we are going to be using Everclear. It's a 189 proof. So that'll really extract the flavors out of that lemon. You can use 151. You might just have to adjust the sugar a little bit, to your taste, okay? Myself, I like it ice cold. You put it in the freezer, put your glass in the freezer. Oh, it's so delicious. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, one of the first things and it is a must to do, is make sure you wash your fruit. If you're lucky enough to get it, to have a lemon tree, which I don't, you still want to wash it to get the dirt and stuff off of it. If you purchase your fruit, you want to make sure you wash it, because a lot of times the grocery store stuff will put some type of a wax on the fruit as a preservative. So you want that to be gone. Okay, what we need to do, and it's so simple, a vegetable peeler. I'm going to peel each lemon. I'm using 5 lemons in this. And you just want to peel it the best you can. Okay, and you don't want that white. So what I'll end up doing, like if you see there where I cut a little bit deep at the white, I will want to take a thin knife and just try to get most of that off. If you leave a little bit on there, it's not the end of the world. But you want to try to get that pith off, because what the pith can do is give you a little bit of a bitter taste. Okay? So just peel all your lemons. Okay, so let me get this done and then I'll be back. Okay, so we got all our lemon zest in there on that piece. So what we're going to do now is we are going to fill it up. Well, not fill it up. We're going to put 375 milliliters of the 190 in there. Maybe just a hair more. Okay. Wait a minute, that's 350. I need just a little bit more to get 375. There, that's 375. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is we're going to let this probably a week to extract all them delicious lemon oils out of them rinds, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so like I said, this is our first. This is just standard limoncello. Like I said before, we will be putting out a new cello for the next 5 days. This will be a lot of fun. Okay, so welcome back to Stillworks and Brewing. We're going to finish up our limoncello. It's been 1 week. I mean, if you can see that, it's a beautiful yellow color. The rinds that are in there are like pale, looks like kind of like potato chips. So what we want to do, well, first thing we did, let me back up a little bit. First thing we did, we made some simple sugar. This is, now remember I made a half a batch, so this is 1 cup of sugar to 1.5 cups of water. Okay. So, and like I said before, I'll put the full batch recipes down in the description box. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, or would be the second? Anyway, and I'm sorry about the background, it is poured down raining here today. Okay, so let's strain out all our, oh look at that. We want to get rid of all the rind. And this is so easy to make. Let that drain there for a second. Okay. Alright, so we have all our juice. And all we got to do is add our simple sugar, right? So, that's 400. Look at that. Let me a little bit more. That's it. Turns nice and cloudy. Ain't that beautiful? Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to stick it in the freezer. Let it get good and chilly. And then once I get them all done, we'll have a tasting. Okay? Okay, so that's our limoncello. Alright. We'll see you tomorrow.